Happy Tamale Day! I'm ready to celebrate by showing you how to make an easy tamale casserole. Let's chop an onion and a green pepper and saute it in oil. Add some garlic. I need to cook that with a pound of ground beef. Add 8 ounces of tomato sauce, a drained can of corn, and a drained can of black beans. Teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of cumin, little black pepper. Simmer until thick. Time to mix some Jiffy Mix with an egg and a 1/3 cup milk. Spray that dish. Let's add that meat. Top with a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And then add that cornbread mix on top. I'm gonna bake it at 375 for about 20 minutes until golden brown. It's ready for serving. Tamale casserole. You can serve it with some sour cream. That's a great casserole. I'm so glad you can join me. You should try this recipe. This morning, I coughed up a pawn, a knight, and a bishop. I think I might have a chest infection.